So here's a quick walk around of my 2019 BMW F850GS Adventure with the rally package. It's a cool bike. So I got a couple of Farkles on it, including this BMW skid plate. It's pretty good, it works. Maybe should have got a slightly taller one, but whatever, it's fine. I also got this Touratech windscreen. Quality isn't the best, but it works. It's pretty tall, protects me from the wind. I of course got the GPS. I got the Nav 6, which works great. It's a must with these bikes. I went with the BMW aluminum panniers. There's some stickers, as you can see. And just recently I got my new tires installed. I went with the Hydanos. They're harder compound, they tend to last longer. They're 50/50s, so for the kind of riding I do, which is mostly gravel and road, this is probably the safest and the longest lasting bet, so I'm happy with that. Plus they look pretty nice and aggressive. And now I'll start it up for you so you can hear what it sounds like. You got to make sure it goes through its startup computing process. Once the ABS and traction is blinking, you're good to go. Oh yeah, the one thing I forgot to mention is this bike also came with the AKRAPOVIC exhaust, which I normally wouldn't get, but the bike had it on, so I kind of I settled for it. But in the end, I'm happy with it. Key not in range. Yes, it is. It's in my pocket. We're good.